Welcome back for my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Wednesday, the 17th of June. Going to look at cable now, which has been a little bit disappointing, I think you would say yesterday. The bulls really did look as though they were starting to get the bit between their teeth. And then we saw a close back underneath 26.45 and a pretty decisive close as well. A pretty negative looking candle there that we've fallen back again today. You've had some softer inflation data out for the UK, which has not helped. But generally speaking, US dollars making a bit of a comeback today. But certainly that inflation data for sterling has not helped. But you look at how the market is still within this uptrend of the past 5 weeks, still also within the support, I suppose you'd argue, of this, what's that, 21-day moving average. And essentially, the momentum indicators are still positively configured, but they're just now starting to drop over and move down. MACD lines would be the concern there. Stochastics and RSI are not too bad yet, but I think if it breaks this uptrend, you are starting to look corrective, and that correction would turn deeper below 24.50, which was Monday's low, and that uptrend comes in around 24.50 today. Tomorrow, where is it? 24.70 area. So it's starting to come back into range, certainly. And sterling average to range is sort of well north of 110 pips. So you'd imagine that that sort of area could well come under threat at some stage soon if the selling pressure continues. A little bit of a sort of a mixed outlook on the hourly chart, nothing too decisive. There is obviously this prospect of a top pattern to think about, but hourly RSI is still between 30 and 70 really. MACD line is not doing a great deal, slightly negatively biased, but I sort of highlighted this very near-term pivot around 25.50 area. Highlighted that in the daily report today, sort of broken underneath that, and that now may start to become a basis of resistance. So that would suggest a drift back to testing 24.50 if that were to be the case. So caution, I think, on the long side, certainly, as that disappointment has set in. So yeah, just we need to be cautious about this this uptrend, which is still in place. And I think if the market just still continues to hold this uptrend, I think you've got to remain reasonably positive within this the upper reaches of the trading band. Closing back above 26.45 would be the game changer, I think, for with regards to a test of 28.10. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and also click to watch our Trader Talks videos to gain some top trading ideas.